Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add free track your order page in your Shopify store. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the store apps here. In the left side, you can see app, and here you have to click on the app. So basically you can just click on recommended apps here and scroll to the bottom and go to Shopify app store. Now it will redirect to your new store basically. And after that, you have to just search the track your order, right? You have to just search it and just hit the enter, and after that guys, you will see a lot of option here, and basically you have to make sure that whatever the apps you're using, make sure that it has a pretty good reviews and all that. So I will choose this parcel panel order tracking, and let me show you how it's look when you add it to your Shopify store. So you can see that it will basically look like this. The customer will add the order number here and the tracking number, and after that if you click on the track here, it will get the option that this kind of interface he can see it, right? So this is super easy guys. So the first thing we have to do, we have to just click on the add apps here, and it will load for a few seconds basically. So you have to just wait, and after that you have to just click on the install app, right? After clicking on the install app, it will again load, so you have to wait. And basically you have to click on let's get started. Click on get continue, and here you have to select that whether you're dropship or not. So I will click this yes, and I will just click on continue. Here you can change the color of your page, and I want to leave it as it is. And here you have to copy this code, so just click on copy link to add it now. And as you click on the copy it will redirect to the navigation here. And basically navigation is something where the menu bar and something you can create it, right? So basically I will add a menu, right? And here I will just add the let's say if I just click over here, track your page, okay, and I will just click on the menu, and here I will write here track your page, and I will just select the link, right? And that's it. And after that I will just click on the add, and basically I have added it, and I have to just click on save menu, and here it is saved. So basically let's go into the the store. So I will just click on, let's see that whether we can see it over my Shopify store or not. So here guys, if I just go to the main menu, and if I click on add menu here, and after that if I just paste the link, and here I will write here track your product, right? And I will just click on the okay, I will just paste the link here, and here I will select this one, then I will click okay, and I will click on the save menu. Okay guys, now I will just go back here, and after that I will refresh this page, okay, so that it worked properly. And let's open our store here. So I will open our store, and here you can see that still I'm not able to see. So basically you can see that after when you buy the subscription and all that, and after that you can see it easily inside the home or whatever. So after the refreshing, yes guys, here you can see that track your product. So I'll just click on track your product, right? And after that, let's see, yeah, it's worked perfectly fine. And here you can see this is the interface here. I'll just click on order number, and after that tracking number and all that, and after that I can just click on track, and here in the bottom it will show me, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.